I'm gonna show you how you can take your cinematic videos to the next level. And the key secret here is the sound effects. Of course, the content is the king and the music is also really important, but without the sound effects, you will not be different from the crowd. Thanks so much to my friends from Epidemic Sound for sponsoring this video and giving me the access to 90,000 sound effects.
90,000?
Sure, man. It's 90,000 sound effects and 35,000 songs that you can access instantly. Now, let me show you a clip without the sound effects, just with the music, and then later on with the sound effects. You're not gonna believe the difference, so let's go. Alright, that was a good video, nice music, a really nice intro here, but as you can see, while we are flying a drone or, for example, shooting in slow motion, we are having a trouble of having the sounds. So we need sound effects to be added later on in the post-production. As you probably noticed, and if you watched my videos before, I use a lot of B-rolls, but the thing is that I rarely use sound effects in my videos. Why? What's the reason? Well, it is very simple and a very dumb reason actually. It's because I've never had access to so many sound effects in one place, and it's always been a really big trouble for me to find high quality sound effects very easily. And on Epidemic Sounds, they really excel in this area, because not only you can search for the sound effects there, you can also search for subcategories, and it's just really fast and easy. So I really encourage you to check it out. Now we've added a lot of sound effects to the clip, and let's keep watching it and see for yourself how does it sound with the sound effects but without the music. Massive difference, right? But we are missing the one last thing where everything comes together: the music, the sound effects, and the story. For the music, let's choose one of those 35,000 songs, and by the way, they are professionally curated, so you don't have any royalty problems, no hassle, anything. You can post it on YouTube and you will never have any problems with that. So let's roll! As you can see, the video has really come alive, and it almost feels like you are there next to the person, almost smelling that coffee there. And by the way, the smoke from the fire as well. And just one note here, do not overdo the sound effects, because they have to be complementary, they have to be an add-on, they cannot be like the main thing. When someone watches your video, they shouldn't think about the sound effects. It should be somewhere in subconsciously. If you're into making cinematic videos or YouTube videos at all, if you need sound effects or the music, I really highly recommend you to checking out Epidemic Sound, because they have different plans. They have like this commercial plan for more serious production, or if you're in a budget, take the personal plan. It's only like 10 bucks a month, and you'll have access to this huge collection. Most importantly, right now, if you use the link down below, you can actually sign up for free for 1 month free trial, and you have no strings attached there. You can download as many songs as you want, as many sound effects as you want, and you can use them in all of your videos. And even if you don't continue working with Epidemic Sound and just let the free trial go and cancel it, no one can take down your videos. Everything that's going to be posted is going to be staying alive, and no hassle, no restrictions from your side, from strikes from YouTube or whatever. I really recommend you try it out, see for yourself if you like or not. Relax, enjoy, and we see each other in the next video. Bye!